Primetime news this evening. More than half of the population do not believe they will get the coronavirus. The findings of the RG Arglina Don Anderson polls. Taximan and shopkeeper among recent victims of COVID-19. And details of new election protocol unveiled. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Primetime sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. Do political jingles and party songs have any influence on how you will vote in the election?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.